This guide will provide several solutions to help you quickly fix the an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone issue. Fix 1. Check and update carrier settings. Step 1. Ensure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or another available network. Step 2. Go to Settings General About. Step 3. If a carrier update is available, a prompt will appear. Click Update. Step 4. After the update is complete, restart the device and check if cellular data is available. Fix 2. Force restart iPhone. If the carrier settings are correct but the an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone but no update available prompt persists, you can try force restarting your iPhone to clear the cache and reload system components. Fix 3. Toggle airplane mode. Step 1. Open Settings and find the airplane mode option. Step 2. Enable airplane mode and wait for 30 seconds. Step 3. Disable airplane mode and check if cellular data has returned to normal. Fix 4. Reset network settings. Step 1. Open Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset. Step 2. Select Reset Network Settings and enter the password to confirm. Step 3. After the iPhone restarts, reconnect to cellular data and check if it is available. Fix 5. Remove and reinsert SIM card. Step 1. Turn off the iPhone. Step 2. Use a SIM card ejector to remove the SIM card and check for dust or damage. Step 3. Reinsert the SIM card. Turn on the iPhone and try using cellular data. Step 4. If the issue persists, try using a different SIM card to test. Fix 6. Use iOS system recovery without data loss. If the basic troubleshooting steps don't fix the an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone issue, you can try iOS system recovery for a more advanced solution. Step 1. After installing the software on your computer, open it and connect your iPhone via a USB cable. Then, click on iOS System Recovery on the main interface to proceed. Step 2. The program will automatically detect the iPhone issue and display it on the screen. Click the Start button to continue. Step 3. Review the iPhone. Details on the interface. If necessary, update the information using the correct options from the drop-down menus. Then, click the Repair button to fix the an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone issue. Fix 7. Restore iPhone using iTunes. If none of the previous steps resolve the issue, you may need to perform a factory reset on your iPhone using iTunes. This will completely erase the device and install the latest iOS version, removing any corrupted files or settings. Step 1. Install the latest version of iTunes on your computer and open it. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 3. In the iTunes interface, click the device icon summary. Step 4. In iTunes, click Restore iPhone. This will erase all data, so be sure to back up your iPhone first. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the restoration process. After setting up your iPhone, check if cellular data is available. Fix 8. Contact carrier. If you've tried all the solutions above and your iPhone's cellular data is still not working, the final step is to contact your carrier. The problem could be on their end rather than with your iPhone. Make sure to reach out to them for assistance and guidance in resolving the issue.